Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and fix the problem that you might be having with your WooCommerce store if your stock is not reducing. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official WooCommerce platform that you're using. So if you're using WordPress just like me, go to wordpress.com and from here you can go ahead and open up the main page. And now we can get started with accessing all the plugins right here on the left side of the screen that we are using. So here are your WooCommerce plugins from where we're going to go and be able to edit our store. So let's go and take a look at what to do if our stock is not reducing when orders are received. As you can see right here in the official WordPress forums, we already have somebody asking the same question. And what we can see is a couple of answers by people affiliated to WooCommerce. So basically the solution is not an easy one. There are multiple plugins that are associated with the stock options, and you also have your store settings that you can go ahead and manage, as well as your code. As you can see, you have your code editor from where you can get started using PHP code for editing your website. So what I suggest for you to do is to go to the forums right here on wordpress.org and post your own thread, explain what the problem is, provide screenshots and what is the problem and where you're facing the problem. And once you've done that, somebody affiliated with this is going to go ahead and come into the comments and help you out. So you can contact customer support, explain what the problem is. This is the easiest way you have, and they're going to walk you through step by step because everybody's case is different and we do not have the same website, and that's what I suggest for you to do. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care and bye.